I'm back after a short Christmas break with a New Year's makeup tutorial. Prime your eyelids for an even base and to give the eyeshadow something to stick to. You end up not being able to see this brown, but I wanted the black to have something to blend over and not get stuck in one spot and patchy. Remember to use a little black at a time. You can add to it, but you can't take it away without wiping everything off. Softening the edge with a skin tone shade. Using some glitter glue to make the silver shade stick and not crease. This silver is so shiny and sparkly. Blending the edges for a softer transition. Repeat on the other eye. Using a hydrating primer since my face is dry. If you're going to a party, use a sticky primer. Like the e.l.f. Power Grip one, it's really good. Lightly concealing my dark circles and redness. Mixing a glowy base with my foundation for a lighter coverage that's still glowy. Setting everything with a light powder. If you're going out, bake anywhere you get oily. Framing the lash line and connecting the eyeshadow. I go in about 2/3 of the way. I don't want black on the inner corner. That'll make your eyes look smaller. A sticky base for the silver eyeshadow. Popping on silver to brighten the inner corners. I lightly bronzed up my cheekbones, temples, forehead, chin, and nose to add warmth back into the face. Layering on blush, making sure I'm blending it with the bronzer for a seamless blend. Adding a champagne highlight. It's complementary with my skin tone. I like a lot of highlight. Melting everything together. Line the upper and lower lash line with black eyeliner. My brows are still tinted dark enough, so I'm just using a brow gel. Lots of mascara. This look would work really well with fake lashes. I keep the lip simple with a shade close to my natural lip shade and adding a sparkly gloss. ColourPop glosses are so nice. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.